Thanks for viewing our short video showing the Delta by Ñuke inside and out. If you're on YouTube, Facebook, or another social media site and want to learn more, go to the link on AmazingRibs.com below to read our detailed review. I think you'll understand why Forbes magazine calls us the world's leading outdoor cooking resource. This product was sent to us by the manufacturer. When we're done with our testing, it will go back to them or be given away. We never sell test models, and no one ever pays us to be reviewed. Here is the Delta by Ñuke, a beautiful Argentinian gaucho-style grill. It comes with a rolling cart and natural wood lower shelf that's very attractive. You can also buy the Delta as a drop-in unit without the cart. And Delta has a lid. Most Argentine grills don't. This is the firebox over here, where you light your logs, also called the brasero. It slides back and forth. Then you scrape your coals to the left, underneath the cooking grate, which is adjustable up and down, so you can lower or raise the grate. Crank the arm on the left side of the grill to adjust the grate height. A very nice feature and pretty much the only adjustability you have with this grill. Inside down here is a warming area, which is a good place to store your tools. You get a nice coal rake and a shovel. And they throw in a nice carbon steel griddle plate for you, which is pretty useful for searing just about anything you want. And you can do that right over the fire, there. Pretty simple, not much to this setup, which is what a lot of people love about it. There isn't much to break or go wrong. And it's really fun to cook. To read our detailed review, go to AmazingRibs.com. On our red navigation bar at the top of your screen, search for our review by the model name. Forbes calls AmazingRibs.com by far the leading resource for barbecue and grilling information. So while you're here, check out our news, tested recipes, technique and science, product ratings and reviews, barbecue competition info, tailgating, barbecue history and culture. And if you still want more after all that, then you're a candidate for our Pitmaster Club. Be amazing. Try a free trial membership. You'll be glad you did. AmazingRibs.com, the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the world.